So let's talk about spinal twist. Easy, gentle spinal twist. That's not only just a great distressor, but it also feels so good and it's so healthy for your back muscle and your spine. So note that if you are pregnant or if you have back injury, check with your doctor because that's not the best thing to do in those cases. But for anything, if you have any medical issues, always check with your doctors. You know that, right? You always see that little disclaimer in the front of all your exercise videos, and it's for you. It's a reminder for you to check first. Check. It's being mindful in a way. So use a sturdy chair or a sofa. You can do flat back, putting your hand on your chair, but also to get off the floor because we are gonna go down today. So let's inhale the arms up. Exhale the shoulder. Inhale just the arm. Neck is relaxed. And exhale, arms down. Shoulder down. Shrug, inhale, shrug, exhale, send that back. Give some nice shoulder roll. Take your time. Anything that's needs a little more love here, just stay there a little longer. Nice little shoulder rolls. You can go both sides if you wish. For me, it feels better backward, but balancing it a little. Here we go. So nice mountain pose. We start a lot of things in mountain pose and yoga. So let's go in mountain pose, lining up the outer part of your feet by turning in the big toe just a little bit. Now raise your toes up and feel where your foot is touching the mat. All the corners of your feet touching the mat. Nice inhale, exhale, claw with your toes to the mat and engage your legs towards each other. Nice mountain pose, shoulder are up and back, let them fall where they want to fall. And tighten your core, tuck in your little belly here, just suck that in, Keep that sucked in as much as you can throughout the exercise. It not only gives a nice toning to the front, but it also protects your back. So one more big inhale. Let's exhale down, folding at the hip. We're in forward fold here. Nice little rag doll. Arms are loose. Neck, you can go yes, no, maybe. Hands can go as an option to the opposite elbow to weight yourself down a little more, but make sure you keep a band in your knee. A little band, maybe a big one. Big is fine. But a little band in your knees. Now let's place our hand above or below the knees and just inhale your elbows towards your body and exhale, and then just keep breathing here. Just reach your elbow away from your neck and inhale, pushing your feet and flat back, looking straight down as if there was a fish, like a big beautiful goldfish right in the front of your toe. So look straight at it. Nice inhale, grow like it's a string attached in the middle of the top of your head, pulling forward. And exhale, soften, bend your knee, bend them a lot here. Even like you can grab behind them, give your legs a nice hug. And pushing your feet, engage your leg, inhale up, arm up, and exhale back to the side. Now again, this time we're gonna go down all the way. So make sure you got the wall, the sofa, the chair, somebody else is there if you do have difficulties coming back up. We all have one of those days. I do too. It's like some days I can just poof, up. And other days a little help is good. And there's no shame in using props. On the contrary, it's self-love. You want what's good for you, right? Inhale, fingertip up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Elbows are in. look straight down. Exhale, relax. Bend your knee until you can grab the floor. Maybe lift the heel and come nose up. Now place your hand a little behind you and find your way down. Now just sit, whatever's comfortable for you, as long as your both sit bones are into the mat. So a little crisscross, and you can always bring your feet a little further. They can be crossed at the ankle, whatever works for you that is comfortable. And this does not always work. I spent last year in pain being like that, so I would just put my leg to the side. You saw me a lot in the videos last year with my legs like this. I had some issue with a stretched tendon in there, and it's fine now, but make yourself comfortable and just respect your alignment and keep your back straight if your back allows. So here we are, sit bones are in, back is straight, and if it's not, bring your feet forward. Let's bring one arm behind us and just grab the floor with your fingertip or maybe the flat of your hand. Now your twist originate from your lower back. You know, like when we fold at the hip, we're going to twist at the hip, at the lower back, and then middle back, upper back, and your head is going to follow last. So just look at me right now. Inhale tall and just move your hip to the side. And then the shoulders, the head looks to the side. Then maybe the hand in the back wants to move a little further away, and that's okay. You inhale by reaching up through the middle of your head, like that string, somebody's pulling on that string. And on your exhale, maybe see what's a little further back if it's comfortable. Exhale, center. Inhale tall, exhale. Your arm first, your hip, look at me. And now start turning your spine and look back. Relax your shoulders, your back shoulder. This is a feel-good stretch, so if you're not sure or it's like weird, come out of it before you hurt yourself. And center, other side. Here we go. Center, and other side. Center. So just very gentle. And now let's find our back. Let's go on our back. I'm making it easy. There's all kind of back twists, but keep your tummy tight here. Come back down. Use your arm if you need to, or your chair. Come to your back. Bring your heel a little bit closer to your knees. Nice inhale, and now reach with your fingertip. Get your shoulders away from your ears, making room from your head. So you can move your head in a no, no, no. I'm not coming off that mat. It feels nice, right? Big inhale, exhale your knees to one side. No, they don't have to touch the ground at all, but both shoulders should be into the mat. So if your opposite shoulder lifted, just bring your leg to the center before you pin it. It lifts because you went too far, so you don't want to force it down. So now keep your shoulders down. Now try the other side. And again, if your shoulder blade, the opposite shoulder lifts up, come up and put your knees first, and then pin it. And let's just move this side to side. You don't have to hold your shoulders. It's just a reminder to keep them down. Your arms can be to your side. Nice little lower back twist here. And we're going to engage a little more of the body than that. So next time your knees fall to one side, leave them there. And look a little bit to the opposite side. And maybe take that arm and touch your shoulder on the side of your mat. Or reach away. Inhale, center. And exhale. And center. Et voila! So nice little, there's all kind of variation you can get into, and we're not going to get too much into it because we're going to do a lot of twists here and there throughout other classes, towards other yoga classes.